Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 18th, 2021. We're going to give you all this very quick video about a particular stock that has 30% upside potential. And you guys can already tell on my chart which one it is. It's Sprouts Farmers Market. Now we're going to go into this and explain to why this particular stock has 30% potential upside over the next couple of weeks. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. We're here to give you all information that is unconfusing and not waste your time. And then on top of that, we're going to predict the market. We're going to show you where our expectations are going to be for these particular stocks. So make sure you hit those buttons, like, share, also hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any of our content that we are delivering on this channel. So now, here it is. Sprouts. Now, why would we say that this particular stock has 30% upside over the next couple of weeks? Because looking at the chart, you don't see too much going on in the market in Sprouts. Well, once you look at this particular stock on a variety of time frames, you'll begin to see the picture that the market has strength. And for us, we focus in on the trap, nobody else. We don't pay attention to no EBITDA, no earnings per share. We don't pay attention to no mergers, acquisitions. All of that is pointless because those things do not move the markets. You see him on the bottom left side of my screen? He's the one that moves the market. So we pay attention to what he does. And once you do that, you're able to get in a position and predict the markets and capitalize on those price movements. So right now, you know, the market is closed. It's a holiday, but we can still gauge where the market is headed because he has laid out his premise on our price chart. So let's talk about this real quick. So let's look at this market in Sprouts on a weekly time frame because you can see it right here. This market in Sprouts on a weekly basis is really trading sideways. Like, we're not going to be confused about that. This market in Sprouts is just trading in between $18 as support, right there around $30 as restriction. Okay. Now, where the market is trading at right now at $20.92 is right there towards that support area of 18, which is only about, let's see, a percentage difference range. So here we are, $20.92. Support is around $18. So that's about 14.25% price difference from where the market closed on last week to where the support area is. It's not bad. Okay. Now the price difference between where we are at now to the other area of restriction around 28, it's about 33. At $30, we're about 43% away. So you have a lot more opportunity to see Sprouts go higher than you do see that market go down to $18. Not bad. So let's take a look at Sprouts on a monthly time frame. You guys can see that this market in Sprouts is relatively new. We don't have that much price history in Sprouts. I mean, it started trading on the stock exchange back in August of 2013. Okay, so almost about 8 years of price history we're seeing into the market in Sprouts. And you can see a little bit better, you know, $28 and around $18 is support. You can see that a little bit better here on the monthly time frame. But generally, we don't see any weakness here. When you look at the market on the monthly time frame, we don't see any weakness. Weekly time frame, what about 3 weeks? Even on the 3-week time frame, we don't see any weakness into the market in Sprouts. So we're going to continue to play that. He is telling us, I mean, the trap is already letting us know that there is nothing here on these particular time frames that would indicate that the market in Sprouts is weak. Not right now. So we're going to play that. This is why this stock has 30% upside. Let's do this real quick. So when you look at it on a 3-week time frame, we already stated that $18 is support, right? And $28 is restriction. It might even go to 30 in the long term, which is about 43% profitable movement from where the market closed at. Okay. Now we're going to take it back down here to 26. Okay. which is about 25%. Now, we would TP the market. TP simply means the place where you'll take profit, where you exit out the market at 24. Okay, so that's about 15% movement and profitability right there. 15. But we're going to take it back up there towards 26. Okay, and that's it. We're in position. It didn't take a lot of research. It didn't take us taking 15, 13 hours of our time just to read articles, just to get an idea of what the price would be worth. The trap has told us already. Just pay attention to what he does. And that's it. You're good. So now, it's your opportunity. It's your turn. What do you all see into the market in Sprouts? Do you see the same thing? Do you think the market is a buy or a sell? Tell everyone in our community what you all think. Now, make sure you maintain a profitability and go and trade different.